Diagnosing Failed Sinks in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you sink health, queue depth, retry counts, the conflicts list, and per-integration diagnostics. So a sink problem is loud, not a number that's quietly wrong. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Accounting, Sink Health from your dashboard. Sink Health is where you go when something feels off between KettleiQ and the systems it talks to. QuickBooks, your POS, or any other integration. At the top, you'll see queue depth, so you know if writes are backing up. Below that, retry counts show which sinks have failed and are being automatically retried, so a stuck write is visible instead of disappearing. The conflicts list shows records where two updates landed on the same data and couldn't be reconciled automatically. Click one to see both versions and choose which one wins. Each integration also has a diagnostics panel with recent error detail. So if something's stuck, you're not guessing. You can read exactly what failed and when.